Hi, I'm Nijantan. This is a prototype of anti-smog tower. First, we are going to see about the material we used in the anti-smog tower. This is the electrode setup. The electrode setup is made up of acrylic board and a series of steel plates arranged in a holes made in the acrylic board, and a series connection is made. And then it is a DC battery. This is the main power source, and it is a voltage converter, and it's a flyback transformer, and it's a exhaust fan. This is the high efficiency particulate air filter. Then we see about the connections made in the anti-smog tower. This is a switch used for the on-off condition. It's connected to the DC power supply, and the DC power supply positive and negative terminal is connected to the voltage converter. The voltage converter converts the DC power supply into AC, because the transformer always works on the AC power source. And then the flyback transformer, the positive and negative terminal from the voltage converter is connected to the flyback transformer, and the positive terminal of the flyback transformer is connected to the electrode, and the high voltage circuit is connected to the acrylic board for the ionization, better ionization. This project works on the ionization technology. Now we can see about the working principle behind the anti-smog tower. Now I am going to switch on the ionization process. I switched on the ionization process, and switched on the exhaust fan. And, first of all, the smog particle enters into the anti-smog tower in this way, and the dust particles get attracted in the electrode. The electrode is positively charged, and negative dust particles get attracted in the electrode. Most of the dust particles get attracted in the electrode, and the remaining unobserved dust particles get sucked by the suction exhaust fan, and then it is passed on to the HEPA filter, where in this HEPA filter all the remaining unpurified particles get attracted and collected into the HEPA filter, and it can be purified periodically and cleaned periodically. Now you can clearly see that the electrode ionizes the surrounding area by I am demonstrating with this tester. I didn't touch anything with the tester, but the light is blinking. You can clearly see the current with the naked eye. And this is the polytetrafluoroethylene filter paper. It is used for the analysis of air after the purification. First it is to be soaked in the water, and then it is placed in the outlet of the filter paper. If we can see the trace of black spots in the filter paper, it is a sign of unpurified particles. And if you can see the black spots, if there is no black spots in the filter paper, the air gets completely purified. And we are concluding that the anti-smog tower is the most economical method to purify the smog particles.